Tell me anyway, yeah?
Pick him up.
Yeah, impressive goal here and bit of what you have been showing all season. Let's sum up the goal for us there and we're going to
Yeah, for the goal, I know I have that shot from school days, so it's just to get myself in the position to pull out the shot. And I think the team played good, just that we should have come up with the 3 points, but opportunity missed.
How you feel about the result itself?
Well, I'm not pleased with the result because we create a lot of opportunity to score at least 3 goals to get the 3 points, but we didn't take full opportunity.
Let's go on more. Your season, or some of your season, I must say you have been having an exception to your season, especially with your shape. Let's tell us all.
Well, so far I'm having a good season, so it's just I'm looking to have a much more better season. So it just start from the training ground to put in the work and come and execute it in the games.
Any of the shots?
Well, just the cards of eyes. So that's it.